Download or install Limbus Company on Android, fix download and install issues. Or 1. Check device compatibility. Open Google Play Store, search for Limbus Company, verify your device supports the game. Ensure Android version is updated, usually Android 7 Plus or higher required. Number 2. Install from Google Play Store only. Open Google Play Store, search Limbus Company, tap Install, avoid third-party APK sites for safety. Restart your phone, press and hold power button, tap Restart, wait for device to reboot, try installing again. Namstar 4. Check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Try downloading again with stable connection. 5. Clear Google Play Store cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Google Play Store, select Storage, tap Clear Cache, try installing again. Number 6. Clear Google Play Services cache. Go to Settings, open Apps, Google Play Services, tap Storage, select Clear Cache, restart your phone. Number 7. Free up storage space. Go to Settings, Storage, check available space, delete unused apps, videos, or files. Ensure at least 2 to 5 GB free space. 8. Update Google Play Store and System. Open Play Store, update all apps. Go to Settings, System Update. Install latest Android updates, restart device. Step 9. Remove and re-add Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, remove Google account, restart phone, add account again, try installing Limbus Company. 10. Reinstall Play Store updates. Go to Settings, Apps, open Google Play Store, tap Uninstall Updates, restart phone, open Play Store, and try again. These steps should help you successfully download and install Limbus Company on Android without errors, stuck downloads, or installation